got some good positive news. Elon Musk says Twitter will create a content moderation council. Elon Musk takes over Twitter. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. You are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is the Captain, and let's talk about this content. Now, Elon Musk, Twitter new owner, on Friday announced that he will be forming a content moderation council to assess and moderate policies and decisions at the company. Already making some big decisions of trying to do this correctly. Now, in the most recent tweet, Musk informed that the council will have a wildly diverse viewpoints and that no major content decisions or I would say account reinstatements will happen before the council convenes. Now, Musk early in the day made it quite clear while he was up in arms on acquiring the fastest growing micro-blogging platform. One among them was to make the platform home for free speech, remove shadow banning, and was open to allowing the former President Donald Trump back on the platform. With Friday's announcement, it's clear that he's handing over these sorts of decisions to the council. Now, Elon Musk didn't give out many details regarding the council, whether it will be elected through a vote, or how many people will constitute the council, or even how it will differentiate from other contemporary councils that already exist in other companies. It needs to be seen what Musk has to say regarding this and how democratic his stance remains on the council setup. However, Musk has made it clear and amply clear that he doesn't agree with the current modus of the platform. When he took over the control of the company, he fired several chief executives, including policy chief, whose decisions have been critically publicized. So we'll see what happens. There's a lot of moving around, and your good old Elon Musk is making decisions, and one of the main ones is creating this content moderation council to move forward. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.